Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, okay, it's about the sound again. Okay, as you can see, the door is half ripped up already because I am so excited about this one. Right, so I actually purchased the Bowers and Wilkins BMW sound system, right, which consists of two under-seat woofers, 8-inch, right, two 4.5-inch mid speakers, okay, which is in the doors, okay, in the front doors, two tweeters, okay, for the A pillar, and for the rear, okay, there will be two 4-inch speakers and two tweeters as well. Right, so for today's episode, okay guys, as you know, okay, I've changed a lot of things about the sound system. Right, as you know, mine is like super poverty spec, like there's no options at all. The speakers are crap, everything is like quite old already, right? And I've been upgrading the system every now and then, right? So for those of you who are new, okay, who have not seen my Harman Kardon install, okay, check out the link on top here. Yep, I actually installed the whole Harman Kardon system, okay, together with the subwoofer as well. Okay, I also added a DSP, okay, the links, okay, and the subwoofer as well. And I have been thinking, the BMW, the Bowers and Wilkins system is like one of the better ones, okay, if not the best system for the BMW. And I've been thinking of installing it for a while now, right? And for the bass and knowledge, right, as you know, okay, I actually added a woofer, okay, links here. Okay, I actually added a woofer, okay, in the boot, okay, and it actually sacrifices, I mean, it takes up quite a bit of space in the boot. Yep, so I'm thinking, if I put this Bowers and Wilkins system in, maybe I can skip the whole subwoofer and all this. Yeah, because the thing is, I like sound. I like sounds. A good sound system. I like to hear the music, nice and beautiful when you're driving. But the thing is, okay, I don't need those earth trembling, like window shaking mirror. When you see the mirror, right? When I tune it up, okay, you see the. I mean, those of you out there who are into sound system, I think you will know what I'm saying. Right, so actually I don't need that, okay, I just want nice and clear sound system, and that's why I actually got the BMW Bowers and Wilkins system. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how I'm going to install it, okay, and for a start, right, I'll be installing on my side first, okay, which is my side will be the door, tweeter, woofer, yeah, and the rear. Right, so I can actually hear the difference, okay, from my seat, okay, and Esther's seat, okay, which is the passenger seat. Right, so without further ado, we're gonna start this one, okay. And for those of you who are new, like and subscribe, okay. And for those who don't know how to do this, okay, but want to do this, contact me. Details are in the description. Right, so let's go. that's the end of the whole DIY. Okay, I actually took quite a while here, okay, because I was swapping out the speakers and all this, okay, and you know, I want to take good care of the new speaker, okay, and the old speakers are up for sale, okay, so a old Harman Kardon, okay, set of speakers, okay, which is two 8-inch subwoofers, two 4.5-inch mid speakers, two tweeters with covers, okay, and two 4-inch rear speakers and two rear tweeters. Right, so I'll be selling all in a set, okay, or if you need installation, you can let me know as well, okay, for those of you in Singapore, right, so those of you worldwide, I mean, I can't possibly find, right. Alright, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, okay, if you like this, please remember to smash the like button, right, our subscribers are really low, okay, I hope you appreciate the support, okay, and we need more comments, okay, for YouTube to prioritize our video all the way up. Right, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye!